So I'm joined here by former cabinet minister Navjot Singh Sidhu. He has been in the news for so long in Punjab and a tough man to catch here. Thanks for giving us time. My first question starts with that you think you have been used as a showpiece. So your critics say that you may be overconfident about your popularity. What do you have to say to that?
Dear brother, I have been in the system for the last 17 years. You look at how I have toiled, 3-time MP from Amritsar, once in the Rajya Sabha, fight for CPS. After that, I became MLA and minister. I would be doing something good to win 6 elections. What is the proof of a man's agenda as a celebrity or anybody? It is his work, it is his thought. There's nothing good or bad in life. It is your thought process. Your thoughts are the real interpreters of your actions. And your actions actually are what people look at. All my life, 16 years of political career, there was just one motive. One motive. To understand this system run by two powerful families in Punjab, who've ruled Punjab for 25 years, controlled this system, belittled the legislature, brother. Belittled. When I say people elect MLAs, people elect MPs, people don't elect officers. And when you make a system accountable to a few officers and control the legislature through those officers, then where is the power of the people? Where is the spirit of the Constitution? The spirit of the Constitution is the power of the people must return to the people. It has not. It has not. The taxes that people pay, that power that the government generates from those taxes is restricted to few people. They run a business, they protect their business interests. Two powerful families, and you call those two families the system. The system runs the show over it. The income of the state's exchequer goes to private pockets. Loans are taken to repay loans. That is why Punjab is struggling. One of the most, a state which had reached the epitome of achievement, green revolution, white revolution, today has 3 lakh crores of karza on its head. My dear friend, my only endeavor in this political lifetime has been to change this system. And when in 2017, Mr. Prashant Kishore came to me, can you imagine how many times he came? 60. Go ask him. I told him I'm not coming. The only importance is the welfare of the people. If it is going to be selfish, vested interests overriding the interest of Punjab, right, then I'm not interested. He said, you meet the High Command. Wonderful, upright people. Khandani log. I met them and I said, this is my agenda. They said, if you have to cleanse the system, you'll have to be in the system. So I came back again. I came 56 seats I campaigned. We won 54. Mr. Prashant Kishore said, brother, 10% votes will swing. You'll have to. From the day one, from the first cabinet meeting after becoming minister, I have followed an agenda which was pro-people, pro-Punjab. First cabinet meeting I said, sir, we started off with, I'm not for liquor. But if you're selling liquor and you have an excise policy that money should come into the state's exchequer. I said, Tamil Nadu started with you. You were earning around 3,000 crores. Tamil Nadu was at 3,000 crores. Tamil Nadu in the last 18-20 years has gone to 35,000 crores. And you're loitering at 4,000, talking about 200, 300. We can increase this by at least 10,000, 20,000. And if you give it in the Government of India schemes, it'll double. So you are taking loans to repay loans, and all the money of the state's resources, the state's exchequer, is going into individual pockets. That's the mafia, covert operations. Nobody knows. Somebody's pulling the strings, take it out of the puppets, and the money goes into different pockets. Today, this mafia stands exposed. Their operations are overt. Everybody knows about it. First meeting, I said, we'll increase 20,000, give jobs. These ETT teachers, all the give jobs. You know, the response of the health system, there would have been beds in the hospitals. Nurses would have places to stay, nursing hostels, everything. Education, health. It is an investment. You plant a tree, it grows in 25 years. That tree would have been planted 25 years today, people would not be dying because of oxygen. Right? That response comes with thorough investments. Somebody invests 18%, 20%. Look at countries investing 18, 20. Where's the income? The income of the state goes to exchequers. I said, sir, let's do the sand mining policy. Telangana got separated from Andhra Pradesh in 2014, right? From 10 crores, they've reached 2,500 crores with one river, Kaveri. Punjab is the land of rivers. You're depositing 40 crores in 1 year. 10 years together, neither 39, neither 41. 40 crores in Telangana with one river is earning 43 crores in 1 week. Is there a comparison, Ghazali? Huh? I told them, fix rates for sand. You don't fix those rates. You cut the supply. We have a supply of 200 odd years. Sand enough for 200 years. Fix rates. You sell liquor, you fix rates. Everything is fixed rates. MRP. Huh? Market price. Where's the rate? You're selling a trolley of sand and there have been governments which have been toppled because of this sand mining. Right? You are selling sand for 4,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. People are so angry. Why are you doing this? Sell it for 1,000. Immediately your economy will stand on its feet because the volume of construction will increase. Poor people will build homes. The American recession. President Roosevelt bought out America out of the recession by building roads. Yeah, it's written in history. You must learn lessons. You must learn from all this. The system said no.
Just ask who is the system here?
The system is two powerful families, everybody knows. You know, the old dialogue of Rajesh Khanna, ye jo public is
But won't it look good if you tell them who the system is?
मैं क्या सब जानते हैं. Who has run, who have been chief ministers for the last 25 years? You analyze, no? The last government ruled 10 years. पंजाब पे कर्जा चढ़ता है 1.5 लाख करोड़. 150. 15,000 करोड़ हर साल. We come into power in 5 years, 1,25,000 crores.
Okay.
बच्चे सब सुनो. I went to the system, sir. Cable mafia. Evasion, tax evasion of what, crores and crores, service tax, all that, right? No, I made a law. We are lawmakers. I made a law. I said, here is the law. They sent it to the LR. It came back after 6 months. Then it clashes with the Government of India law. We're sending it to the president. That means it will never come back. I said, hang on. Why? Because you've made them account. I said, इनके कंप्यूटर को मेरा हाथ डालने दो. ₹1 एंटरटेनमेंट टैक्स लगाओ, सर्विस टैक्स इनके सब पकड़ लूंगा. आज तक तो तुम्हारे कानून ही इतने कमजोर है. Toothless laws that they have actually facilitated theft. Let me do it. वापस आए प्रेसिडेंट के बाद, उसके बाद मैंने कहा इनको 3 साल यार क्लैश करता है, तो भाई 2.5 साल कर लो. फिर एलआर के पास 2 साल से वो चक्कर लगा रहा है कौन. Why? The system said no. Boss, drugs, the whole world knows it. You broke it. Right? Bhola, a DSP, a wrestler, openly said that this is a minister who sold drugs. Close associates of his. People of Punjab want them explained.
I'll come back to each.
No, just hold. I will finish this. Allow me to do it. And I will come to you will have every question answered, bro. Right? STF, they made an STF. I said the big fish must be caught. That minister has to be caught because you promised it. STF gave the report. It was lying in the High Court. Nobody budged an inch. People of Punjab went to the High Court. The High Court said, take action. There is enough prima facie evidence against him to put him behind bars. The system said, we have not read the report. Can you believe the Chief Minister has not read the report? The High Court sent to them and said, take action. Transport. Bro, there are buses running without permits. There are 3,000 permits and there are 8,000 buses running. The buses of the Badals. That's why I said collusion. The buses of the Badals have 1.5 rupees tax less per kilometer. Volvo buses, air conditioned, and the PRTC buses, which have no ACs, खड़कती टूटी हुई बसें 1.5 रुपया टैक्स ज्यादा per kilometer. Their people fix the timetables. Hang on, पंजाब के लोगों को ये मुद्दे हैं. These are the issues that I've talked about. It was never a position. Never. Boss have left so much. Rajya Sabha, why? Because the collapse of a man's character stems from the compromise corner. There is no compromise with the development and welfare of Punjab. And that is why people have voted me into power 6 times, bro. 6 times. And Manmohan Singh ji के wave में आंधियां चलती थी. 3 मिनिस्टर आ रहे बीजेपी के, 15% वोट कम हुआ. पूछो, जेटली साहब आ रहे, बोलते थे हम सर्टिफिकेट देंगे. हाँ, उसके बाद 2 बार पुरी साहब आ रहे, सिद्धू वेव्स में जीता. और जब वक्त आया मोदी वेव में, सिद्धू कुरुक्षेत्र चला जाए, क्योंकि बादल साहब की जो हरसिमरत जी हो दूसरी बार बनेगी, तुम चौथी बार एमपी बनो. Go there, fight. I said, no, sir. I will not become MP. I declined. IMP minister, no, sir. You fight. Lost by 1,50,000. This is the only place that he could have lost. That is how they fool people, bro. Then comes the PRP issue, the separate issue. It is our soul. देखो, जंगल कट के हरे हो जाते हैं, लेकिन आत्मा पे वार नासूर बन के रिश्ता है. The wounds can heal, but the mental scars will remain. Always. And that is why I झोली आगे करके मैंने उनको कहा, let this be a deterrent to generations, that nobody should ever dare to do such a thing. Our guru is our way of life. Jagat Guru, the whole world acknowledges Baba Nanak's teachings. Do this. I gave them evidence. I released the CCTV footage of the BLP Kand, right? वो मैंने किया. I went to the people who suffered those atrocities. They came back from Bargadi to my place when I was distributing food during the COVID operations, asking people to donate, right? That was the time when the system said no, and I said no to the system. The system put a plate outside my office which said Navjot Singh Sidhu, Minister for Renewable Energy and Power. His department is changed. On what? For what? Asking for justice? Speaking up. I went to Bathinda and I raised hue and cry that I will leave everything if the Guru is not given justice. And the High Command knew all about it. They were the ones who said go, and I said, sir, I will speak the truth. They said yes. They always backed me. The good people. So when this happened, I said, hang on, renewable minister, power minister, the system that rejected all my proposals of welfare of Punjab, I will reject that system. I said no. The system that take that, I said no. I went back. 2 years, brother. 2 years meditating, contemplating, working day in and day out. Being silent doesn't mean that you're sitting idle. No. Reading, researching, talking to people, bringing in experts. वो मंथन होता है ना, आप पानी को रिड़को तो मक्खन नहीं निकलता, आप दूध को रिड़कोगे तो मक्खन आता है. That introspection brought me to a conclusion, a firm conclusion. It was a cast iron case probe. What was it? That Punjab does not need a Gujarat model. It does not need a Delhi model. It needs a Punjab model. 70% हम लोग खेती पे हैं. I went to them, the system. हक कमेटी में दाम दूपत, सर छोटू राम्स एक्ट, cooperatives for the farmers. Bro, अफसरों के हाथ में छोड़े हुए हैं. Cooperatives should be the immediate need, like Amul, like Werka in Punjab. Give them storage. What is the difference? A farmer goes to the market, sells his tomatoes for 3 rupees a kg in season when he's farming. 3 rupees a kg. The same evening, that 3 rupees a kg sells at the Prochun retail shop for 25 rupees. And if he has to buy his own tomatoes, after 2 months, he has to buy it from the market 60 rupees. Why? He doesn't have storage. Those are perishable commodities, bro. And those perishable commodities cannot. So, uski majboori ka fayda uthaya jata hai. Give them those things. I've been shouting horse. That report, that Haq Committee report, दूर जा जमीनें, the Justice Kuldeep Singh report says only in Mohali district 1,50,000 crores worth of land has been grabbed, usurped, and lakhs गौचरान लैंड, लाखों करोड़ की जमीन कब्जे में। मैं उसका भी चेयरमैन, मैंने जाके इस सिस्टम से बोला कि सर आप 5% जमीन छुड़वा लो, पंजाब का 3 लाख करोड़ रुपए का कर्जा भी उतर जाएगा और आपके पास अगले 10 साल का बजट भी होगा। द सिस्टम से दबाएंगे, देखो किन किन के नाम है, देखो तो सही किस किस के नाम है। शर्म आती है, आपको पता लगे कि किस तरह से ये कंट्रोल करते हैं। फिर आफ्टर दैट इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, what has happened is when only 7 and 8 months are left, the system wakes up and says, Sidhu sir, come for tea. चाय भी बुलाया है। Hang on, सुरखाब के पर लग गए ना, सिद्धू ने क्या किया? चाय। What sir? Come to the cabinet, have these words. I said no. 3 महीने बाद लंच, इलेक्शन आएगा, अब सिद्धू कैंपेन करेगा, सिद्धू कैंपेन करेगा, उसके बाद माइनिंग होगी, ये होगा, वो होगा, फलाना होगा, और सिद्धू को एक शो पीस बना के सजा दिया गया। रियलाइज द क्वेश्चन, योर क्वेश्चन, दिस बैकग्राउंड वाज नेसेसरी टू आंसर इट। फिर शो पीस बना के उसको सजा दिया गया। पंजाब का वेलफेयर कौन करेगा? व्हाट अबाउट जॉब्स? You've given jobs to save your chair to MLA sons. On what basis? Sympathy? तरस के आधार पे? तो फिर आप तरस उन लोगों पे करेंगे जो प्रिविलेज लाइन के सबसे आगे खड़े। What about those who stand at the end of the queue, bro? End of the queue, who do not have one earning member. That is the fight. उनको क्यों नहीं दिए तुमने? Have you honored merit? The bane of this society is that we do not honor merit.
Okay.
It is for selfish vested interests. Why should? And this is a handover taking place, bro. ये जो हो रहा है ना, ये इसीलिए हो रहा है। तो इसके खिलाफ मैं लड़ाई लड़ रहा हूं। मैं आज तुम्हें कहता हूं, I'm telling you, and I am telling the whole world, let him do this. Let him fulfill 50% of this agenda. I'll walk behind him without a post. Work 24/7 with him. जिला परिषद का चेयरमैन बना, मैं वो भी ले लूंगा, लेकिन तुम इस एजेंडे को पूरा नहीं करोगे और ये हैंडओवर चलता रहेगा। हैं 400 की वैक्सीन 1600 में बेचेंगे, इनको वो दे कास्टिस रिमार्क होंगे, तो पार्टी भी हार्म कर रहे हो, सब कुछ हार्म कर रहे हो। क्या कर रहे हो तुम?
But the same allegation is put on you that
For what?
you are working on cross
On what?
purposes.
On what?
You are weakening the party with
How?
your comments like this.
How? उनको पूछो, लोगों के पास जाओ, देखो सी वोटर का सर्वे देखो, पूछो लोगों से, जाओ, तुम तो लोगों में रहते हो, जाओ ना, पूछो किया क्या है तुमने?
But don't you think your comments are damaging the party?
How? You tell me how, bro. What am I asking? You address these issues. I'll be quiet. I was quiet. मैं तो बोला ही नहीं। ये किसने करना था? BRB किसने सॉल्व करनी थी? Who's the home minister? सिट बिखर गई। Tell me, if today somebody is murdered, do you form a SIT? The inspector goes, there is a FIR lodged, charges are framed, and then the challan is given 6 years. अरे कुंभकर्ण भी 6 महीने बाद जाग जाता था, हाँ? Why not first 6 months? अब कुर्सी पे आना ही, सारे पार्टी के एमएलए इलेक्शन लड़ने जाना, री इलेक्शन होना है, सबको फिक्र पड़ी, हैं? तो तुमको अब BRB याद आ गई। It's a collusion, bro. Protecting each other's interest. Otherwise, all right. I'll give you another example. It's not one. I'll give you another example. Power purchase agreements. He said it openly that we'll give electricity for 5 rupees, 3 rupees. Electricity will be 10 rupees. Oh, if those agreements carry on for the next 10 years, we'll be under another 70,000 crores. What that?
But that is the same allegation being put on you.
Hang on. What allegation? What allegation? The
Why did
president
you raise your voice?
I'm raising my voice. The president said, review those. Every MLA says, review those. 78 MLA say, review it. Am I the president or am I the PPCC president?
You are one of the claimants that
Hang
everybody is
on,
saying.
I don't claim anything. Nonsense. Talk sense. Tell him. Prove one thing. One position that I've asked for in the last 17 years, I've given up 10. You talk of giving jobs. to the MLA sons, the elitist class. My son gave up the job that they announced for him, Assistant Advocate General, the day it was announced. He says, Papa, they're accusing you of nepotism. And he asked his mother, do not accept this chairmanship. We've walked this path, bro. What does he say? Asking, who is he to stop Navjot Singh Sidhu and closing doors on Navjot Singh Sidhu?
He is the Chief Minister of the
Hang
state.
on. So he will close doors. Who opened the doors for him? I gave up a Rajya Sabha. The entire Prashant Kishore came 60 times. Did I want to come? Alright. What happened to him? He lost his deposit. He lost 3 elections. He made his own party. He threatened the High Command. And after losing his deposit, he goes to Delhi. Is he Taksali? He goes to Delhi and Madam Sonia makes him president in 6 months. And today he says, I have never asked for a post. Prove that I've asked for anybody. Have I asked for anything? Address these issues. I'll walk behind you. There are no differences. There are no differences whatsoever. Is it me? Every MLA ask him, can he go and get re-elected under these circumstances?
So why none of the MLAs are coming in your support? Why don't they say that Sidhu, whatever Sidhu said?
All 78 MLAs are together. Why this 3-member committee? Have I made this? Why would you make it? There are no ifs and buts. Bro, it is about this agenda. And this agenda has been my life and soul.
Okay, so let's say the system you are referring to didn't work as per your...
It's not as per mine, as per people's.
Whatever you were demanding.
No. These are people's issues.
Right.
Are
As
they
per
mine?
the people's issues, they were not resolved in the last 4.5 years. So will Navjot Singh Sidhu do a Jyotiraditya Scindia or Jitin Prasad?
Who told you? Why do you actually throw these shurlis? You're taking a tilt at the windmills?
No,
Why?
the way it is-
What the way? Who projects the way? Do you think if 40 million people say a wrong thing, will it become the truth? What proof do you have? I've stood by the party like a soldier, right? Let it prove. All nonsense he's talking about, that Navjot Sidhu's had meetings with Kejriwal. Go, prove one. I'll leave politics.
So
He talks, let him talk sense, let him talk issues, let him address those issues. I'll be quiet, absolutely quiet. What is this noise about? Is it my noise? Or is it all the MLAs? Who's complaining? Me? Or everybody? What are you talking about? There are 12 MLAs going, ministers going. Have they called me? Tomorrow? What are they? Go to Delhi, ask them. What are your grievances? Why have they called? What do they want? Every day there is saying, so many MLAs have objected to these appointments. BFB.
Yesterday,
How
some
many
of cabinet ministers and MLAs did come out in support as well.
So then what does that mean? What does it mean? Does it mean it is me? My agenda is clear. 17 years is clear. 6 elections is clear. Who will give you the proof? People or you? Who? Who's the power? People in power or the power of the people? Is it returning to the people? It's a handover going on, bro. Simple. And make no mistake about it. This is not about positions.
Okay.
Ask another question.
Okay. Are you ready to work with Amrinder Singh?
मैं क्या रहा हूँ? When I'm saying I'm walking behind him,
Only if the issues are resolved.
oh, that's it. What am I talking? Am I asking for something for myself? Stop this. See, get the facts straight. Facts are stubborn things, right? They will not cease to exist just because they're ignored. All this is said versus ye wo. All this is said to divert from the real issues. What are the real issues, Ghazali? You live in Punjab. Talk to the people.
Okay, I had one question. I spoke to some of the people before coming here. They say everywhere Navjot Singh Sidhu goes in any party, he
Is that
stands
so? Which party?
like you were in BJP.
Hang on, BJP, hang on. What
Right.
was wrong? They gave me Rajya Sabha. No, hang on.
Let
What
me
is-
finish my question.
No.
Let me
I'm
finish my
answering. See, what you're saying is wrong. BJP asked me to stay away from Punjab. Why? BJP asked me to campaign for the Galis. Why would I? They beat our people. They destroyed the BJP. At that time, BJP would win 20 out of 23 seats, 21, 16. I left them. Right? How many people? Two. Who will prove it to you? The people or you? The upper bourgeoisie class is not going to prove it. The ground level people are going to prove it. जमीन फाड़ के आवाज आती है दोस्त. आवाज़ खलक नगाड़ा है खुदा. The voice of the people is the voice of God. What is the proof? The proof is the people.
But
what is the power in a democracy? It is the people. Therefore, Ghazali, get your facts straight before you distort them.
I'm not distorting, I'm asking.
Okay, then what are you doing?
You were in BJP.
I was in BJP. I left the Rajya Sabha. Did I ask for it? I left the position. Name one man in this country who left a 6-year Rajya Sabha.
And you...
What? Name.
I can't recall, fine.
You can't recall? No? Okay. Rajya Sabha, right? I left it. For what? All that they said was stay away from Punjab. Either you campaign for the Badals or you stay away from Punjab. I was on hunger strike against them. Why? Because they will not give you credit. They will stall every work that you try to do and stall the work of the people because this credit will go to Navjot Sidhu. Is that the only criteria that only you आपने ठेका ले रखा है क्रेडिट लेने का? क्रेडिट लोग देते हैं भाई. Navjot Singh Sidhu's agenda is very, very clear. We'll take it down and make no mistake about it. Listen to the voice of the people of Punjab. Listen to the ground reality. Right? And you will realize that what I'm saying is true. What about the sea water survey? What did it say? Hang on. Is it mine? जब आप किसी की सफलता को रोक नहीं सकते ना गजाली, उसको बदनाम करने की कोशिश करते हैं. फैसला कौन करेगा? लोग कर चुके हैं.
But the same voters, if they feel that when you were in BJP, you protested, you say that fine, it was not happening.
What do you mean? Protest?
Like, I came back to Congress, the story is the same.
No. I left. What is the same? What have I?
You are raising. You say that I'm raising my voice against the wrong voice.
Okay, say anything of this is wrong. I have not done this. Tell me. Any of these issues.
Decide, the voters have
okay,
to.
so they will decide. No, leave it to them.
This is
But
it.
tell me if these issues are wrong.
Fine. So my next question is.
If everything is fine, then
No, I'm just asking one thing. That let's say when before 2017, most of the Congress MLAs while campaigning, including you, everybody was saying when we will come to power, we'll fix everything from every sector, right? And the target was. And
I came 17 days before this.
Exactly.
And look at the press conferences. I'll give you 2 press conferences before coming to it. I said the same things. The collusion है और ये collusion जाना चाहिए. ये जो ड्रग्स का मामला है इसको हमें सॉल्व करना चाहिए. ये कल्यूजन खत्म होनी चाहिए. पंजाब का खजाना, पंजाब के उसमें इनकम हमारी बढ़नी चाहिए, राइट? और ये पैसा जो है पंजाब के लोगों का सूद समेत, इट शुड गो बैक एंड रिटर्न टू द पीपल. द पावर ऑफ पीपल मस्ट रिटर्न टू द पीपल. दैट्स द स्पिरिट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन गिवन टू अस बाय आवर फोरफादर्स, बाबा राव, बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर, राइट? यू कॉन्ट्रडिक्टेड. Sitting in AC rooms doesn't help. Winning an election helps. The finance minister of India lost an election by 150,000 votes in a Modi wave, and in a Manmohan Singh wave, I won 3 elections in the same place. Mr. Puri lost 2 in that wave. What will indicate? Tell me. Here, bro. The power of the people is the ultimate power, not your analysis.
Right.
It is the power of the people. They will decide. Let them decide. I've put my point across, Ghazali, and I've told you that there are no differences. It is all about issues. You address those issues, there are no differences. Over and out. Thank you very much, bro.